The start of CNAE was literally frustration of not being able to get speedy service when it was needed. You know, when you can wait, but there are times when you can't wait. If you've got a team of 60 people that can't work because their IT systems are not performing or whatever it is, you don't want to wait a day or 2 days. You want somebody to be on it now. My name is Ralph. We started Computer Networks at Ease, now known as CNAE, in 2002. We've been around on the coast for, well, nearly 20 years now.
We've worked with CNAE for about 15 years, I think. CNAE originally put in all of our computer infrastructure. About 3 years ago, when we went across to a cloud-based server, that was a time when we would theoretically have been reducing our reliance upon them, supporting our server and our infrastructure here. They were integral with helping us move across all of our software and integrate our systems into the cloud, hence why we've just kept them on to continue with the levels of service that we need.
Our team of guys is actually really helpful, and it's quite often people will say that.
The first time I'd sort of taken over running this business, because this is my family's business, the server went down completely. We were down to writing invoices out for customers and looking at price lists and everything, so it was really slow. And they sent somebody out straight away. We were here till 10 o'clock every night for about a month almost, trying to fix the problem. Because at that time we had a different software package, and CNAE had this really new server, great server, but we couldn't get the software to work. What I liked was that they dropped everything to come and help me, because I was desperate. I had nothing. And it ended up being the biggest sales month we've ever had too.
We had a complete server destruction in 2009, and that required about 48 straight hours of recovery. These guys worked in relays in 12-hour shifts to get us back operating. Because we're wireless and paperless, we can't do anything without that system. They just went until it was finished, in shifts around the clock until we were operational again.
Lots of people say having all your eggs in one basket's bad, but I think having the people who sold you the software that you use, managing your IT that it runs on, as a perfect solution, because they know exactly how it's been set up and they can fix any problem. I'd say almost every issue they go over and above to fix it quickly.
One of our big differences, I think, is that our clients have got the mobile numbers for our text direct. That is their primary point of contact. They have that relationship directly with the technician who looks after them.
The thing that I love most about CNAE is I can get my tech on the phone. I have his mobile phone number. Do you know how rare that is? With so many other firms, there's ticketing systems, you have to log it online or you have to phone, and then you wait and wait and wait. Sometimes you never hear back.
The biggest thing that CNAE would do over and above for us is they look after us out of hours. So we're a retail customer focused business, so it's very difficult for us to take our systems offline during our business hours. So one thing that comes to mind is the last server changeover we did over the Easter long weekend. So they were good enough to do that over a long weekend for us, which really helped our business to keep operating, focusing on our customers without having downtime.
The fact you get a technician allocated to you, and they develop a relationship with you and get an understanding of your systems and what it is you do and the softwares that you have, it works really well. They've got great staff retention, and so we've had, in the time we've dealt with them, we've had 2 technicians over about a 10-year period, and so their staff retention allows for a good continuity and a consistency and knowledge of what's going on.
So I've got one very senior technician, and he knows everything about our business. He doesn't need to look up password lists or files or anything like that. He can log in from wherever he happens to be and resolve our issues really quickly. I can phone him on his mobile phone number, and we can just get things fixed. Whether it's me fixing it and getting some advice from him, whether it's him jumping on and fixing it, it's just, there's no job logging, there's no delays, it's just, it happens.
Probably half our team now are 10 years plus with the business, and I think that in the IT industry you must be doing something right if you've got members of your staff who have been with you for more than 5-10 years. I hope they stay here till they retire. Well, actually I hope they never retire.